Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The Lexus LC500 is not just a car, it's a symphony of engineering, artistry, and emotion, sculpted into one of the most breathtaking grand tours ever built. Every inch of this machine speaks of passion and precision, a perfect balance between performance and elegance. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the LC500 exudes a sense of drama and sophistication that few cars on the road can match. Its presence is commanding yet graceful, futuristic yet timeless.
The sleek silhouette, long hood, and muscular haunches embody classic sports car proportions, while the meticulous attention to detail transforms it into a moving piece of design excellence.
The LC500 is the flagship coupe from Lexus, a car that redefines what it means to blend Japanese craftsmanship with high-performance engineering. It's not just about speed or luxury. It's about creating an emotional connection with the driver, something that feels alive every time the engine roars to life. The exterior of the Lexus LC500 is a masterpiece of form and function, sculpted with aerodynamic precision and an artist's touch. The spindle grille, Lexus's signature design feature, dominates the front end with a bold, three-dimensional mesh pattern that seems to draw in the air itself. The ultra-slim LED headlights, shaped like the eyes of a predator, use Lexus's advanced triple-beam technology to provide exceptional clarity and focus. The hood stretches long and low, hinting at the power that lies beneath, while the fenders flow seamlessly into the body, creating a muscular stance that exudes strength and agility. The side profile is mesmerizing, with lines that curve and taper in perfect proportion, drawing your eye from the front all the way to the elegantly sloping roofline. The rear of the LC500 is just as striking. Taillights with an infinite mirror design create a captivating visual depth, glowing like molten light. The integrated spoiler and quad exhaust tips complete the look, giving the car an unmistakable aura of speed and power, even when standing still. Every panel, crease, and curve serves both beauty and purpose, allowing the LC500 to slice through the air with precision while maintaining its sculptural elegance. Under the hood, the Lexus LC500 hides a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine, one of the last of its kind in an era of turbochargers and hybrid powertrains. This engine is a masterpiece of engineering, a celebration of raw mechanical emotion. It produces an exhilarating 471 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque, delivering power in a way that feels organic and immediate. The engine revs freely to 7,300 RPM with a deep, thunderous growl that transforms into a high-pitched scream as you push it toward the red line. This sound is not synthesized, it's real, mechanical, and addictive. The LC500's power is transmitted through a lightning-quick 10-speed automatic transmission, designed to provide smooth shifts during cruising and razor-sharp responses during spirited driving. Whether you're accelerating down a highway or carving through a winding mountain road, the LC500 delivers an experience that feels both effortless and thrilling. The rear-wheel drive setup ensures a perfect balance between control and excitement, allowing the driver to feel deeply connected to the road. The car can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.4 seconds, but the LC500 isn't about straight-line numbers. It's about how it makes you feel while achieving them. The power delivery is smooth and linear, the throttle response immediate, and the overall sensation one of harmony between driver and machine. The chassis of the LC500 is constructed from a mix of lightweight yet strong materials, aluminum, ultra-high tensile steel, and carbon fiber, to provide exceptional rigidity without adding unnecessary mass. The result is a car that feels both solid and agile, capable of delivering razor-sharp handling while maintaining grand touring comfort. The adaptive variable suspension constantly adjusts damping forces based on road conditions and driving style, offering a ride that's supple when cruising yet firm and responsive during performance driving. The steering is precise and perfectly weighted, offering a level of feedback that inspires confidence. Every input feels measured and intentional, making the LC500 feel like an extension of your own body. The car's wide stance and low center of gravity enhance stability, while the large high-performance brakes provide excellent stopping power, ensuring that control is never compromised. Driving the LC500 isn't about raw aggression. It's about fluidity, balance, and grace. It glides through corners with poise, the suspension absorbing imperfections while keeping you firmly planted. On open roads, it transforms into a refined cruiser. On twisting back roads, it becomes a dynamic, responsive sports coupe, eager to be pushed harder. Inside the Lexus LC500, the attention to detail reaches an entirely new level. The cabin is a fusion of art and technology, blending luxury materials with driver-focused ergonomics. The craftsmanship is unmistakably Japanese, inspired by traditional Takumi artistry, where every element is designed with precision and care. The seats are sculpted for both comfort and support, upholstered in semi-aniline leather, Alcantara, or a combination of both, depending on the trim. The dashboard flows elegantly across the cabin, with lines that mimic the exterior's curves, creating a sense of movement even when the car is stationary. Every surface feels soft to the touch, every button perfectly positioned for intuitive control. The driver sits low, surrounded by an environment that feels intimate yet spacious. The 10.3-inch high-resolution infotainment display sits at the center, providing access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings, complemented by a 12-speaker Mark Levinson premium sound system that delivers breathtaking audio clarity. The steering wheel, wrapped in fine leather, feels substantial and precise in hand, while the paddle shifters behind it invite spirited driving. Ambient lighting casts a subtle glow across the cabin at night, enhancing the sense of tranquility and elegance. Despite its performance focus, the LC500 remains a comfortable and serene place to spend time, with advanced noise insulation keeping the cabin quiet when desired, yet allowing just enough of the engine's glorious note to remind you of its potential. Ultimately, the Lexus LC500 represents the pinnacle of what Lexus can achieve, a perfect fusion of performance, artistry, and emotion. It's not just about going fast, it's about how that speed feels, how the engine sings, how the design captures your imagination. The LC500 is proof that a car can be powerful without being harsh, beautiful without being fragile, and luxurious without losing its soul. Every drive in this car is an event, a reminder that craftsmanship and performance can live together in perfect balance. The Lexus LC500 isn't just a grand tourer. It's a moving sculpture, a celebration of engineering excellence, and a love letter to the art of driving.